more, pressure is less. If surface area is less, then pressure is more. So can you see the level of this water? This is the level of this water, right? Now this is the wasted toothpaste. From the wasted toothpaste, I put the water inside, and this is a means capillary tube from the pen. If we can see that this is a glass slab, this area of glass slab is more if you put like that. See that water level will rise up till here, correct? Area is more, pressure is less. If we put like that, water level come outside. Area is less, pressure is more. This is the one experiment. This other experiment, liquid pressure. When you open this, see that liquid also exert a pressure on the walls of the container. From this experiment, we have to show the student so that understand properly the what is the pressure and what is the force. Also other examples, we can take the touchny pin here. If we take the touchny pin, this area is less. This is a soap. If we apply the force to one end of the touchny pin, it will easily go inside because area is less, pressure is more. This area is more. When we apply the force here, it doesn't go inside. From this also experiment, we can explain the student how the area will pressure will depend upon the area. This is a small experiment. And third experiment, that because of the less water, there is a two holes. See that water is coming outside from the hole. As the depth increases, pressure will also increases. From this experiment, we can show that the pressure will also depend upon the depth of the water level. In this way, we can explain the student how the pressure will exert everywhere on the dam, why the dam is very large of the bottom. Thank you very much.
टाळ्या वाजवा सगळ्यांनी.